Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check restricted list on Messenger. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Messenger. After that you can click on chats and let's try to restrict. Click on name of our friend and after that scroll down and click restrict. Confirm. And now we need to go back and here you can go to this button in the upper left corner, click settings. After that you need to click privacy and safety, scroll down and click restricted accounts, and here you can find this restricted account, and if you want to unrestrict, click to this chat and click unrestrict. And that's all. This is a very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.